Welcome to Python 3 Beginner 09 Modules. I am Ali Reza. Welcome to this course. Modules are collection of code written by other people. There are standard modules that allow for interaction with the operating system and also modules for networking and many more. You can find a list of standard library here, and I try to put the link in the description. Importing. To use a module, we need to import it into our program. We use the syntax. This must go at the top of our program. Import module name. Since we will be using math for this tutorial, we use import math. And as you saw in the slide, we're going to do the example 1. Create a tut9.p. Import math, define main. Next line, try. Alright. Number equal. You could say that again, that is very good. Float. Yeah. Input. Please enter a number. Close parenthesis. Number equal math dot fabs. Number print number except print. You did not enter a number. If name equal main parenthesis, next line. Very good. Enter W key Python 3 tut9.py. Please enter a number 5.5. VIM tut9.py. Please enter a number -2.8. Python 3 tut9.py. You did not enter the number, you can see. Go back to slides, math.py. P is a mathematical constant, it doesn't change. In the math module, P is a constant, meaning you can't change its value. Let's use P to calculate the area of a circle given a radius entered by the user. Example 2, edit tut9.py. Use the formula. We're going to use area. That formula in Python, area equal math p radius 2. The power of, if you remember from the earlier tutorial, that is pretty obvious. Print radius 2 Next line, remove number and put area equal, comma, area, close. Next line, exception, WQ. So Python 3 tut9.py, put it into radius 5.5, area 95.03. Python 3 tut9.py, area 28, radius 3. So we're going to type. Okay, till here you passed the beginner level. In the next video we go to intermediate level. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.